Thinking about taking the ABA exam in the UK? Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry. This video is your simple step-by-step guide to help you prepare, stay focused, and pass with confidence. ABA Exam Study Guide for UK students. What is the ABA exam? So what exactly is the ABA exam? It stands for Applied Behavior Analysis. It's for people working in areas like special education, autism support, behavioral therapy, or mental health who want to become certified behavior analysts. It's managed by the BCBA in the US, but accepted globally, including here in the UK. Once you're certified, you'll help people, especially those with autism or learning disabilities, develop skills and positive behaviors. Who should take it? If you're working in special needs, therapy, education, or community services, this certification can help you stand out. It's not just a career booster. It lets you make a deeper impact with the people you support every day. Exam Basics. Here's what the exam looks like. 185 multiple choice questions. Only 150 are scored. 4 hours long. All done on a computer. And it covers things like behavior assessment, ethics, data analysis, and intervention planning. Your best friend? The BCBA Task List, 5th edition. That's your official study map. How to study, step by step. Let's break it down into 6 simple steps. Step 1. Start with the task list. Download the BCBA Task List. It's the full list of everything that could show up on the test. Step 2. Make a study plan. Study 10 to 15 hours per week for 2 to 3 months. Set weekly goals. Keep it realistic. You're not cramming for a pub quiz. Step 3. Use the right materials. Top resources. The Applied Behavior Analysis textbook by Cooper, Heron, and Heward. ABA rocks. Pass the big ABA exam. Use what works best for your learning style. Step 4. Join a study group. Don't do it alone. Join a group on Facebook, Reddit, WhatsApp, wherever you can discuss, ask, and learn with others. Step 5. Practice with mock exams. Mock tests are gold. They help with timing, confidence, and understanding your weak spots. Always review what you got wrong. Step 6. Focus on ethics. Ethics is huge. Know the professional and ethical compliance code inside out. Extra tips for UK students. UK students, here's what to watch for. Make sure your course is BCBA approved. You'll need supervised fieldwork hours under a certified BCBA. Track them well. If you're doing the exam online, double-check time zones. No one wants to miss their exam because of a time difference. A week before the exam. In the final week. Review all major topics. Don't try to learn new stuff. Do 1 or 2 full mock exams. Sleep well, eat right, and relax. Avoid last-minute cramming. It only stresses you out. On exam day. On the day. Arrive early. Bring your ID and confirmation docs. Read carefully. If you're stuck, mark the question and come back later. Don't panic. You've prepared for this. Look, passing the ABA exam isn't easy, but it's 100% doable with the right mindset, resources, and plan. Whether you're just starting or already knee-deep in study materials, keep going. You've got this. If this video helped, give it a like, share with your study group, and subscribe for more practical guides like this one. Good luck.